the sewing room is still dirty from last time. So it is what it is. Hey, Renegades. I'm sorry we didn't get a video, a behind the scenes video out last week. Me and the kids were down. They were down bad. I was okay, but just not okay. But everybody's feeling much better now. You know, something going around. We did not have COVID, thank God. But, you know, nobody wants a cold these days. I found something that I thought that you guys would think was interesting. I have been looking for a something to use to clean out my sewing machine, my serger, which is right here. I'm gonna show you in a second. And so I went on Amazon because that's what I do, and I found this. It's a desktop vacuum, USB charging. It has a little. It's not even on here. It has a little suction thing that I'm hoping will get back into the innards of my serger. So we're gonna open it up and see what it's doing, what it's got going on. It did have good reviews. Right off the bat, it does come with, and you know, of course, I'm thinking of this with my sewing machine, but I know it's here to clean the actual vacuum. But it has this. I can use this pick part, this little pick part, to get in there and get thread. Oh, I like that. And it's green. That's good. That's my favorite color. And sweep in the sewing machine, so that's already a plus. It has a USB charger and it has this little nozzle in here. This is it. It has these little sweepers at the bottom. I feel like those are going to get gunked up with a bunch of stuff, so yeah. Power button, USB charger. So we're going to start it up. Oh, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. All right, let's clean it out. Sounds like, oh, shoot. All right, so that's what we got going on in there. We're going to go empty that out and come back and see if we can clean out the middle of the serger. I was able to just bang it on the side of the trash can and, you know, just kind of get the stuff out. That's why a reason that they gave you the brush. And I'm going to put it back together and let's see how it sounds. Let's add the attachment. Now, I do have a confession. Y'all do not judge me. I have not cleaned this serger out and it's been a good long time. Oh, that looks so much worse from this perspective. Ought to be ashamed of yourself. Where's the little brush? Ooh, shoot. I'm gonna have to re-thread it anyway. All right, so overall, I feel like that looks better. It's better than it was. I need something like this, just suck everything. And a really long, thin nozzle. Overall, I think it's not bad. It definitely cleans the table around the serger very well. Very, very, very well. In order to really deep clean the inside of the serger, like probably a can of air. I don't like using a can of air because I am allergic to dust, so I would prefer a vacuum. I did see like a skinny attachment that's supposed to connect to your big vacuum. I didn't want to go that route because who wants to pull out the whole big old vacuum just to do something like this? But if you guys know of any other solutions, definitely let me know. All right. See you guys next time. Bye.